Hi guys, my name is Manjari. I'm a certified style coach and a pageant mentor. We're all staying at home and we're all extremely busy with all the household chores, and that is simply no excuse to make sure that your hair and your skin game falls off the radar. So here I'm going to help you whip up some things from the kitchen that's going to help make sure that your skin still looks flawless as it is and your hair is super flowing and luxurious. Stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so let's tackle the skincare first because it's summers, the temperatures are soaring, and all of us are dealing with the commonest summer skincare problem, which is open pores. So how do we tackle that? If you're running low on supplies of your products, worry not, this is the best solution that you can have. All you need to do is whip up a concoction of egg whites, so easily available in the kitchen, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. We whip a concoction of such consistency that it's not runny, it sticks on your face. Put the mask, get back to work. Let it sit for 15 minutes till it hardens, and then wash it off with extremely cold water. Tell me how you find the results, and let's move on to hair care. Okay, greasy, sweaty scalp and hair that gets matted to the scalp during summers is again one of the most common problems that we deal with hair during this time of the month. How to tackle it? I think it's the best time to detox the scalp because hey, we're not going to go anywhere, and we're not using so many products now, so it's the best time to detox. Here's a detox recipe for you. Take half a cup of apple cider vinegar and to that add some chamomile tea. You must have those sachet bags. Don't throw them away the next time. Soak this in overnight. If you don't have chamomile tea, worry not. Fennel seeds, soft body shape जिसको बोलते हैं, you can use that also. So what you need to do is you need to take 2 spoons, heapful spoons of fennel seeds, soak them in half a cup of water, bring it to boil to half the consistency. Add this to your apple cider vinegar, leave it overnight. The next morning, rinse your hair. After your shampoo, rinse your hair with this mixture, and your scalp is going to feel so refreshed, and it's definitely going to get that much needed detox, and it's going to be free of all the products that you've been using up until now. Alright, body odor is a huge thing during summers, and now that we're at home and constantly toiling over the stove, it can get exasperated. So now how do we deal with that? Calm your feet down, give it a good pedicure at home, and also you can use this in the bath. What is it that you need to do? Well, you need to take about half a cup of coconut milk. To that, add water to make sure that it's of good runny consistency, and then add some crushed mint leaves to it. If you don't have mint leaves, if you have peppermint oil, that works beautifully well. I'm a big fan of essential oils. So let me repeat the recipe once again. This is to make sure that you stay moisturized, hydrated, and definitely odor free. So here's the recipe once again. Half a cup of concentrated coconut milk, add half a cup of water to dilute it, and you can add some crushed peppermint leaves, mint leaves to it. If not, you can add some peppermint essential oil to it. Now you can use this as a foot soak or you can use this in your bath. Either way, it's cooling, it's refreshing, and it's definitely going to get your body odor far away and also get all those toxins out from your pores. So these are my 3 DIY summer recipes that you can very easily whip up in your kitchen. All the products are very freely, easily available in your kitchen, and even in today's quarantine lockdown states, if you happen to step out for emergencies only to get stuff, you will still find all of these very easily at your local grocer. So stay healthy, stay happy, make sure that the skin shines, make sure that the hair is beautiful and lustrous, and make sure that you smell good all the time. This is me, Manjari, your lifestyler, saying thank you, stay safe, and I will see you very soon. And of course, do let me know your comments in the comment section below. Ciao.